Hello, CEOs and entrepreneurs. Welcome to the Angelica Prather Show. I am your host, your go-to income strategist and pricing expert. And my whole purpose for this particular show is to equip and train CEO leaders, small business owners to grow profitable business by implementing pricing strategies to grow your business and brand to make a bigger impact. That's even in your life, in your journey of entrepreneurship. Here, we choose profitability over popularity. We think like CEOs. We adapt CFO habits that will help us build actionable brands, not expensive hobbies that rob you of your time and energy. And so if that sounds like the perfect place for you, then you're in the right place, okay? I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. You might know me from my background as a salon owner, a business coach to hairstylist, where I had the privilege of turning creative visions into realities and helping them build profitable business. But my journey doesn't stop there. It's been a roller coaster of transformation and some triumphs, some ups, some downs. And so I wanted to bring you a real, raw, relatable show that is going to help you and help me too, right? This is all a relationship. And so that's why the birth of the Angelica Prather Show, where we'll be diving into the world of business growth, pricing strategies, personal development. Each show is going to be filled with insight, tangible strategies, practical tips designed to help you transform your entrepreneurship journey, just as I have. So what can you expect from the Angelica Prather Show? Well, let me tell you. Well, I'll and yes, we'll be providing you with proven strategies to optimize your pricing and which will boost your profits and drive sustainable growth in your business, okay? And then you'll be joining me where I'll share my own personal journey as a full-time business owner, a mom, a wife, from a hairstylist to a salon owner to a pricing specialist. You'll get all the tea on that. Plus, you'll hear some success stories from other CEOs and entrepreneurs just like you that I either had the privilege of working with or collaborating with. And some of the benefits, right? Like why you have a show like this is that you want to stay above the wave, right? So expert insight is going to be key here, right? So you'll get benefits from the latest industry trends, expert advice, insight that will empower you to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. And last but not least, this is my favorite, but community engagement. There is no one successful without a supportive community. So you'll have the privilege to join other supportive CEOs, entrepreneurs with like-minded people that are committed to achieving their goals and making a positive impact in the business world. And how do we do that? We do that in so many different ways, and you'll have the chance to hear about it and learn what it's all about. I just know that entrepreneurship does not have to be alone, right? And so this is for the person, whether you're a seasoned business owner or you're just starting out. My mission is to provide you with tools, knowledge, inspiration you need to reach your level of success. So what are you waiting for? If this is the place that you're like, oh, I've been waiting for this, I'm loving all that she is saying, then make sure that you are hitting that notification bell, subscribe to the channel to never miss an episode. I promise that this show is going to help you embark on a new thought process when it comes to your entrepreneurship journey. And I'm just excited that you're on the journey with me. So thank you for joining me on the Angelica Prather Show. And just remember, keep aiming high, keep believing in yourself, and remember, your journey to success starts with one single step. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.